1999 बांदोडकर गोल्ड ट्रॉफी भांगराची आशिल्ली म्हूण जीएफएच्या बुकान नमूद आसा. पूण आता जीएफए कित्याक वेगळे उलयता असो प्रश्न बाणावलेचो आमदार आनी चर्चिल फुटबॉल क्लबाचो पात्रांव चर्चिल आलेमावान विधानसभेन काढलो. ह्या प्रकरणाची चौकशी जावंक जाय म्हूण तो मागता. हो इशू सिरियस. खेळा मंत्र्यान चौकशी करपाची तयारी दाखयल्या.
Fear and apprehension in the minds of the football lovers of Goa regarding Bandodkar Gold Trophy. This trophy was donated by the late ex-Chief Minister Sri Dayanand Bandodkar in 70. The trophy was made of gold and was value of more than 20 lakhs. It was the most expensive trophy in India. The trophy was in the custody of JFA, Point Bank. The Grass in Green in Goa was the book released by JFA in 1999. In this book, there are a lot of details regarding this trophy. The concern of the football lovers is that now JFA is saying that the trophy is not fully made gold and was very little amount of the gold. I would like to know whether the government will set an inquiry to look into this matter and restore the faith of football lovers back into the football federation to the punish the guilty anyone. Sports Minister inquiry kochi and Chief Minister kade mangta.
Speaker sir, चर्चिलान जो प्रश्न काढला तो व्हेरी सिरियस प्रश्न सारको. हेजे भितर कॉम्प्रोमाइज म्हणटे ना.
एमजी पार्टी बांदोडकर
एमजी पार्टी भाऊसाहेब बांदोडकरांचो पक्षाचो.
ताका लागून चौकशी जावनी.
स्पीकर सर, आज जर कोण जेएफए भितर बांदोडकर गोल्ड कप ट्रॉफी जर ती गोल्ड प्लेटेड आशिल्ली अशें म्हणटा जाल्यार ही सामकी सिरियस गजाल. त्याची चौकशी जावपाकच जाय. ती मागीर आयएएस ऑफिसर लेवल करची काय रिटायर्ड जज घालून करची याचो निर्णय सरकार मार्फत घेतले आमी. डिटेल मातशी दिवपा जाय. ते गोल्ड प्लेट गोल्ड. स्पीकर सर एक न्ही ना स्पीकर सर
एक मिनिट न्ही मंत्री जे कितें मागता ते तांच्यांनी दिवचें.
गोयच्या बिलियर्ड अँड स्नूकर संघटनेन दवरिल्ले ऑल इंडिया ओपन स्नूकर सर्तीन देशांतले उदेंते स्टार पळोवंक मेळटात. सोमारा सांजे आशुतोष पाडी आनी एस श्रीकृष्णनान पेजात खेळ करीत प्री क्वार्टर फायनलीन सुवात जोडली. उपरांत राष्ट्रीय सर्तीन पंकज अडवाणी सारकेल्या दिग्गजाक हालींच हरयल्लो आशुतोष प्रुडंटा कडेन उलयलो.
I've been feeling really nice, been practicing a lot, and hopefully I'll play well in the tournament. Nice organization, it's a nice stadium, and congratulations to BSAG for organizing such a nice tournament. Hopefully the tournament goes well. Yes, definitely Pankaj Advani, obviously he is the idol for everyone in the game, and beating him was a really good feat for me, and I hope to continue the game ahead, and hopefully, and obviously beating him was a very big boost to my game, and I hope to keep doing that ahead. Before this tournament, I had played in the Nationals. I haven't been playing recently, so the Nationals was my last tournament. So it's kind of a semi-comeback. Yeah.
Right.
In general, I'll say there are a lot of all-India level snooker tournaments coming up. Right after this, there's another ECC All India Six Red Open in Bombay. Then there's another All India Open in there is another All India Open going on in Delhi. So it's really good to see a lot of All India Opens coming up, and the Nationals is itself the most prestigious tournament of the country. So it's overall the game is progressing, but I still feel there's a lot more to come.
How serious would you be going up in your career, going ahead in this year? Have you been? Would you be playing wherever there are tournaments all over India and abroad?
Yes, definitely going and participating in tournaments, gaining experience. That's the whole part of the game, and that's how you learn. So that's how you progress. So that's what I am looking forward to do, and hopefully I'll definitely go and play all the tournaments coming ahead.
Have you set yourself any target for any year, any timeline on your progress?
Definitely, last Nationals I missed out on the top 8, So I look forward to get in the top 8 in the next nationals and qualify for the world championships.
एक ऑगस्टाक नुस्तेमारी बंदी सोंपता. बुधवारा सावन गोंयांत ट्रॉलराची नुस्तेमारी सुरू. 2 म्हयने गोंयकारांनी रापण आनी मानशेचे नुस्त्याचेर काडले. आदल्या दिसा पणजे करंजळे रापणीक पडिल्ले नुस्तें पळयात. धोड्यारे, सुंगटां, मुड्डश्यो, शेवटे, बांगडे, शेतका, वाग्यो धरून सगळे. फॉर्मेलिन फ्री गॅरंटेड नुस्त्याक गोंयकारांची गर्दी. हे बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट ॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबुक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह पळोवपाक मेळटात. प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करीत रावात. नमस्कार.